Today we're looking at part number 80-52008. This is the ST205 75R14 8-ply radial trailer tire made by MilePro. This tire is a load range D. It's rated at 2,040 pounds per tire. It has a 65 psi on it, and the speed rating on it is M, meaning it can go 81 miles per hour. The overall height on this guy is 27 inches tall, and it's 8 inches wide. And this is a great little trailer tire, replacement boat tire, or anything else you might need. A little heavier duty than normal, because normal ones are usually just 6-ply. So, great deal on them at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.